This video is instruction on getting a worksheet, putting it on your Google Docs or Drive page, and completing it. You're going to want to have two tabs open when you start this. You're going to want to have your Google Drive or Google Docs page open. You're also going to want to have your class page open in Fusion. Now, I'm using a page from last year. So anyway, and the first thing you do is you go to that Fusion page, and you will need to find the file or the worksheet that you are going to be using. You will find it under Files. Now, typically when you look on your class pages, there's going to be more files, and there might actually be a folder that says Worksheet. You might have to go in there, but at any rate, in the Files section is where there will be the worksheet that you've been assigned. And the first thing you're going to want to do is to open that worksheet and then copy it or save it to your computer. And so we'll have to wait for Word to come up. When it comes up, quite often you'll see this bar that says Enable Editing. If that happens, you click Enable Editing so that at least you know you'll be able to enter stuff on the worksheet. Then you go to File, go to Save As. I will typically put these on my desktop and then either erase later or file it later. And so we're going to call this there. Apparently we're going to call it 9, and we'll save it to the desktop. Minimize that, and we'll move from the class page to the Google Docs page. Now, what you're going to want to do, you're not going to want to create a document. You're going to want to upload a document. So you'll use this small icon here. You will click on it. You will then click on Files, and after you've done that, you're going to go to your desktop. You're going to find the file, and in this case, again, it's there, and we'll click on it. We'll click Open, and it is saying that it is uploading, and we do have a problem. If it uploads like this and it says Conversion Off, you're going to want to click on Settings and then highlight Convert Uploaded Files so that your conversion is on. And so then we're going to go back and redo what we just did. So we're going to go over here. Let's close out the upload screen. We'll click on Upload, Files. We'll go find the file, and we'll go down to there, and we will open it, and it says Conversion On, so we are good, and it's been uploaded, and now we just need to find it. Okay, we have there. Now notice that this one here came up as a Word document. If you open that, you probably will not be able to enter anything. But this one with the blue box, has been converted. So that's the one we're going to open. Okay. And once we've opened it, I think the first thing we're going to notice is that the title on the document does not conform to our procedures for titling documents. So we're going to have to change that. So we'll click on it. We'll go down to the Rename Document box here. We'll type in our last name, or excuse me, our block number. So if we're in the 9th block and our last name is McRuffle, make sure you capitalize your last name. We'll type that in. Notice there's a space between the block number and between the last name and the title of the document. Then we'll click OK. And once it has renamed it, it comes back here. So now what we can do is we can go in and we can answer these questions since we're identifying the there. This one would be T-H-E-I-R. This one would be T-H-E-R-E. This one would be THEY''re. Notice it's capitalized. It's at the beginning of the sentence. And you go ahead and finish it. Once you notice that all changes have been saved, which should be pretty soon, and you've finished, you click on Share, and then you're going to add down here my email for Google Docs, which is, teacher Florer at rrmiddleschool.org. And then we're going to click, we're going to make sure that the can edit is showing, and also uncheck the notify people. You'll click share and save. It's warning you here that if you that you're skipping the email notification. That's exactly what you want to do, so you click OK, and then it's done, and you should see my email address up here somewhere. And that is all there is to it. Thank you.